Hello everybody. So today I am going to show you how to install and use the Siri shortcuts on your iOS device. So the first step, we're going to want to open up your default web browser and type in github.com/jnstockley/PiTV and hit OK. It will bring you to this page. You are going to want to click on the View Code button, and then you can see there is a file here called Siri Shortcut Links. You're going to want to click on that, and you can see down here there are 4 shortcuts. I recommend installing all 4 of them, but each one has their own individual action that it performs. The first one allows you to access and use the music streaming services, so like YouTube Music, Spotify, Apple Music, etc. The video one allows you to access YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, all those types of services. The last one, Steam, or the Steam one, allows you to access Steam Link, which is a way that you can play video games on your Raspberry Pi from your computer. And the last one is definitely recommended because it makes it super easy to quit out of everything and get back to your regular Raspberry Pi. So we're going to start off by copying the first one. I would recommend doing this with all 4, but we're going to just do one in this video. So we've copied it, and we're going to paste and go. It is going to bring you to a page like this. You're going to want to click Get Shortcut. You're going to want to let it load over here. It shows you what the shortcut does. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Add Untrusted Shortcut. And I'm going to hit Replace since I already have this one, so we're going to hit Replace. Now we're going to go over to the My Shortcuts tab. Your shortcuts will be in the All Shortcuts section. I created a little folder. To do that, go back a page, hit the little plus folder in the top right corner, and then just name it PiTV or whatever you want to. So now, after you download each shortcut, there is one last step you need to do before you are able to run it. You're going to click the 3 little dots, and we'll close out of that. Oh, okay. So that one's gone, so whatever. You won't run into a problem like that. So we're going to do it with the video one. This is the same with all 4 of these shortcuts. Click the 3 dots, and then you see this dictionary at the top here where it says server IP. You're going to want to remove this IP address and then put in your own for your Raspberry Pi. If you don't know how to do that, all you need to do is on your Raspberry Pi in the terminal, type in ifconfig and look for either ETH0 or WLAN, whichever, if you're either using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So once you've done that, you're going to hit done. And then there are 2 ways you can activate it. One, by clicking on it, which is kind of boring, or by using Siri and saying the name of the shortcut. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you. Video.
What video streaming service would you like?
YouTube.
What would you like to search for on YouTube?
Subscriptions. This is going
Just a sec.
This is going to fail because I am not on the Wi-Fi of my Raspberry Pi. That is a requirement, is to be on the same network as your Raspberry Pi, or to be connected on a VPN that is connected to the same network as your Raspberry Pi. One other step that I do recommend is before you get comfortable, I would go onto your Raspberry Pi and use one of these Siri shortcuts and sign into all the streaming and music streaming services that you would like. And also, when you're using the Steam one, you will have to have access to a keyboard because it's going to ask you to install some other dependencies that are not included with the install script that I have provided. So once you've done that for the first time, you should be good and you won't need to worry about signing in. So that is a quick little tutorial on how to set up Siri shortcuts with PiTV. Thanks.